My skin is peeling. Hey guys, it's the next morning and this is what my face looks like. I'm going to peel it. So you just start from here. Look, this feels so weird. So you peel off, but it feels so satisfying to peel this. Let me get a small mirror so I'll see what I'm doing very well. The mirror is a bit far from me. My skin is peeling. This is what I took out. Look at that glow, guys. So if you're just seeing this video, this is a continuation from a video that I have already posted. So you might want to go back to my last video to watch to know how we got here. I haven't washed my face and the glow is insane. Like so insane. It's time for my morning shot. So I'm going to shake it for a while. Turmeric is not a joke. Cheers! Hey loves, good morning from here and welcome to a new vlog. It's Children's Day and the kids wants to make pancakes, so let's do it. Wait, some. Let's crack eggs in.
I want to crack.
Okay, crack eggs. Let me open the milk. More. Yeah, okay, now keep the knife. Turn it, Samir. Always remember what Mina says. Yeah, open it up. Good job. Put it here. Okay, Mina, pour in the milk.
Yeah.
Not everything. Okay, that's
You
enough.
need help because you're a baby.
Vegetable oil, not too much. Come on. Okay. Okay, Mina, it's enough. It's enough now. You can light the gas.
Okay. Just plug down the house. They don't. It's so good. This is how you know when your pancakes are ready to flip. So, you see the bubbles on top. If there are many bubbles, meaning that it's ready to be flipped. The other perfect.
Good job, Samir. See how to do this hair.
What is it? Why your face like that? Look at me. What's that? Oh. No. What is that, mama? She's not. You're almost my height. Blood of Jesus. What's going on? My boo.
See ya. What we having for dinner?
I'll have you on my sauce.
Maybe we can have something with tea.
Mina says she wants bread, yam and egg sauce.
I don't want yam and egg sauce.
Okay, we have to meet in the middle. Okay, let's agree on something, both of you.
I want fried rice.
What do you want, Samir?
Rice and stew.
Hey, Samir, you just said fried rice. Now you're saying rice and stew.
Rice and stew.
Okay, I'll make the pick. I'll choose what we'll have for dinner. And we'll have porridge plantain. No, porridge yam.
Your smile sunrise glow, touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars.
This is Yasmina. Obviously, Yasmina likes vegetables. Samia is like, nah, I'll pass. Guys, your food is ready. Welcome.
Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
Hi guys, good morning. It's a new day and I'm super excited. I dropped the kids at school, so I'm home alone. It's so quiet. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I need this. I love them too with every fiber of me, but sometimes I just like how quiet it is. I don't know if anybody can relate, but yeah. Okay, so I've got work lined up for me today. Today, aside from work, I have this banana and I don't want it to go bad. So I'm going to use it to make banana bread. And I was just thinking, instead of just making banana bread, I might as well just do others. I love to bake, guys. Baking for me is like, it's like therapy. It just makes me relax. So I'll be making banana bread, a loaf. I'm making a loaf of an apple cinnamon cake. And there's this mixed fruit jam that I got. Samir loves jam. Yasmina doesn't like jam. So I couldn't find strawberry jam. That's his favorite. But I saw this mixed fruit jam and I thought, okay, let's try. But when I bought it, I think he's had like half of the jar, but he doesn't like it. So I want to use that jam to make a cake. Sort of like a strawberry. It's meant to be like a strawberry jam cake, but since it's not strawberry all through, I'll just use it to make cake. It's actually been a while since I baked cake for them. Okay, last week I made pie. This week it's almost over. Today it's what, Thursday? But yeah, I just want to do that this morning quickly. And I also have someone who comes in to do deep cleaning for me once every week. So she's also coming later. I'm surprised she's not here yet because she's meant to be here at 8, but maybe because of the rain. So I also have that. So yeah, that's what's keeping me at home till a little bit later into the day before I go out for work, before I get to school and yeah. But before that, I just want to have like a moment of calmness for myself. I'm not going to the gym today. I don't feel like it. I'm not going for Olympics, so I don't feel like going to the gym. I really don't feel like doing anything, you know, active. There's a reason though, not like I don't feel like. I just feel my body, my, what's the word? My muscles need to rest because I've been like doing a lot this week. I've been actually working out a lot this week. I've done like Monday, Tuesday. I didn't work out yesterday, Wednesday. And yeah, I haven't actually done yoga this week. and I've also been, a bit up and about this week. So I just need my body to like, settle, so I don't break down. Yeah, I try as much as possible to listen to my body when it speaks to me. So right now my body's saying, "Girl, take it slow." Okay, so I need to listen to that. So yeah, that's my excuse. Well, let me round up this tea so we can go bake. It's actually always faster baking when the kids are not here, because when they are here, Yasmina wants to help, Samir wants to crack the eggs. I mean, I love it. It's a bonding moment for us, but sometimes I just want to like get the thing, get the job done and put it in the oven, and then I'm done. So yeah, let's go baking. I already greased my pan three, and I think I want to start with the banana bread. Let me bring the camera closer so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to drop the recipes for everything I'm making on my description box. Just want to sieve because I'm using this bowl to bake, so to mix rather. Next will be the banana. It has to be like almost in a puree form. Okay, let's keep this aside. My bowl is empty. I'll just add that vegetable oil and I'll add sugar. Because the banana is already sweet, I'm not adding so much sugar. Just next I'll add egg. I'm using this vanilla one. Next I'll pour in bananas. We'll give it a whisk. So now I'm going to pour in the flour to mix. Okay, the banana bread is ready. So not like ready, but the batter is ready. So I'm just going to pour it into the pan while I mix. I think I'll do apple cinnamon next. So yeah, let's do this. I'm going to add some chocolate chips, like a little something sweet for them. For this apple cinnamon cake, I'm just going to cut these apples. I want it blended. You could peel the back if you want to, but I'm going to add a little, very little water. So I have my sugar here, table oil, vanilla, eggs. Next I'll add the blended apple and give it a nice whisk. So I'll set this aside. Here I have my flour and every other dry ingredient. Apple cinnamon cake is always very moist. Banana bread, you can either want it very moist or medium moist or dry. It depends on your preference. You see, even the batter is a bit runny. I think I'll have this in cupcakes too. I was able to make 4. First off, I'm using just egg white for this recipe. This is the yolk that I separated out of it. And I'm also using this margarine for my cake. This is the milk I'm using, guys. So I'm just going to pour it in here. Then I'll add my vanilla. That's about a teaspoon. I'm going to add this vanilla flavor. This is the jam I was talking about. A little bit. I need to whisk my egg white until it's a bit foamy. This is what I wanted. I'm going to pour in my dry ingredients. This is what my batter looks like. I'm so terrible when it comes to baking. I never have a test of what I'm baking. I'm just so sure of myself. So let's have. Okay, perfect. I'm just so always sure of myself that hey, it's gonna come out nice. I'm going to add some sprinkles on the strawberry cake so to make it look a bit fun for them. So it's ready to get in the oven. I did some cupcakes here too. Oh, I got burnt a bit. A few minutes later, and we have a yummy banana bread, apple cinnamon cake, and and strawberry.